Oh, I just pierced his ear.
Not just that looks so odd. I'm giving you a blowjob.
What are you talking about? When did you do that?
Like 4 seconds ago. Because I laughed and I went, oh, blowjob.
Remember Kevin?
Oh yeah. It was just like, we're recording this right now. Wait,
Hey Kevin, I like your left ear. She likes your right.
I want to sit on it. Oh my god, think about that. I don't want to sit on your face.
It's his ear, not his face.
It's his face. Gross.
Wait, there's a few Kevins that we're gonna be talking about right now.
I don't want to sit in any Kevin's faces. Nope.